1, 2, 3.
What's up? Good morning.
What up, bro?
It's Nano. Kuya Jerry, as usual, my favorite guide.
Kuya Jerry.
Liana, first time hiker, and Glory. Just the four of us this time. And check this out. Look at the fog. So nice. Anyway, we're hiking Mount Binicayan, Pamitinan. Last time we were here was 2 years ago. It's a long time ago. Here, it was just on a Friday morning, just chilling. And the millennial doing her thing. Okay.
The millennial.
More to come.
We are a trail advocate group, but this doesn't mean we like cutting trees or letting a big crowd flock to mountain peaks. Walking on trails promote passive involvement in the environments around us and awareness of their importance. It is recognized that trails play an important role because they help protect habitats for native plants and animals. It is a community asset. It provides link between people and their natural environment. It boosts the local economy. Trails also provide safe routes to school for kids and keep air clean by reducing carbon emissions from automobiles.
Heading towards the summit. We spent a lot of time taking a lot of pictures and videos in the view deck. Me and Nano are behind. The girls went ahead. They were fast, they were strong, and we're the weak guys who left behind. It's fun. I like this kind of trips. It's basically we're the only ones in the trail. Only 4 of us. It's manageable, and we have a really good guide. Yeah, there's Nano getting post lectures from Glory. Yeah, clouds are still nice.
Trails improve health. It provides a place for outdoor exercise, in turn improving your well-being.
We're almost in the summit. Kuya Jerry again doing his photo artwork. And there's Glory. Nice view here. Taking the dangerous pose. Look at the gorge. Beautiful. How can you get tired with this? Now, on our way to Mount Pamitinan. It's Kuya Jerry, we got left behind earlier. He thought we went ahead, and we thought they were waiting, so we had to catch up. Turns out they're here. We didn't know if we were ahead or they were ahead. But we're okay now. Little misadventure.
Trails also build community. You have support and volunteer efforts that are vital in the development and maintenance of the recreational trails we all value.
Alright, we're at the summit of Mount Pamitinan. Oh, with Simon here. Okay.
Beat me to it.
Good job, guys. Glory. Everyone's here. Aliana.
So are we still going to climb that?
No, it's up to you. And there's Kuya Jerry. Congratulations, everyone. Woo! Yeah. Congrats on your second peak, actually.
Yay.
First hiking day, and then second peak. Congrats. Nice view here, and it's searing hot. Anyway, it's worth it. All the sunburns, the bruises. Do we have bruises? No, we don't have bruises. Anyway.
We do.
Really? We do? Okay, he does.
Here.
Anyway,
Here.
it's all good.
So,
Worth all the selfies and the heat.
bruises.
See ya.
The Philippine landscape is blanketed with beautiful wildlife. It's a small country, and we can't afford everything to be flattened. Reminding ourselves, the government, the local residents and visitors, to help maintain quality trails.